your YouTube channel is by uploading YouTube Shorts. In this video, you're gonna learn how to create YouTube Shorts quickly using a free A tool. So sit back, grab your favorite drink, and let's get started. You don't need ChatGPT to write the script or CapCut to create subtitles. This tool will handle all of that alongside video creation and voiceover. Let's begin with the research phase. This channel is in the animal niche, and they upload videos about facts about animals or mind-blowing facts. After doing my research, I was shocked by the numbers this channel makes. As you can see, this channel earns $2 million per year with these simple videos.
Shut the fuck up.
So I will create a similar faceless YouTube channel.
We do not care.
Let's start by searching for YouTube Shorts ideas. I will ask ChatGPT to create 20 YouTube Shorts ideas. We have many options, but I'm in love with this one, so I'll copy it and open Fly High. Sign up for free, and you will be directed to this page. Click on File to start creating our video. Choose a file name and click Submit. Put your mouse on Settings. Click on Portrait 916. Now let's start by generating the video. Click on Convert. Choose the first one and paste the content from ChatGPT. Control the video time. Short around 2 minutes, and long around 5 minutes, and long around 5 minutes. For the style, I will choose informational. And if your video is motivational, you can choose motivational speaker. Click Submit and wait for it to complete generating. Ice over. Click on Sarah and choose Christopher. Then click Select. If you want to change the color of the subtitle, click on Text Color, Background Color, and Shadow Color. You can also change the font. I will choose Courier Prime. You can control the position of the subtitles as well. If you didn't like a video, you can change it from here. Click on Layout, and you will find many videos to choose from. Now, I think this video is ready. Let's download it and click on Start Export.
A few moments later.
Let's try another video idea. I will ask it to create 3 animal facts you didn't know about. Choose English. Short video. And click Submit. As you can see, the short is done. I will change the font to Patrick Hand and the text color to yellow. Now it looks amazing. I know you want to hear it, but watch until the end to see the results. Now let's create the last short about 3 men, facts you didn't know about. Let's choose the same font, change the color to red. Place it here. I would change this video because I didn't like it. I will choose this one. And know it's very cool to post. Let's watch all of the videos that we created with Flykey.
Advice on planting, watering, or caring for a specific plant. Discover the joy of gardening with our easy guide. First, choose the right plant. Sunlight, soil, and space all matter. Next, prepare your ground. Loosen the soil, add compost, then plant. The hole should be twice the pot size. Watering is crucial. Most plants prefer moist, not soggy soil. Water at the base, avoiding the leaves. Pruning is vital for growth. Remove dead or overgrown branches. This encourages healthy growth. Lastly, patience is key. Plants need time to grow. In time, you'll be rewarded with lush, beautiful greenery.
3 man facts you didn't know about. Ever wonder about the hidden intricacies of manhood? Let's delve into some surprising man facts. Men's brains are about 10% larger than women's, but that doesn't mean they're smarter. Did you know that men's hearts beat slower than women's? The average man's heart beats 70 times per minute, while a woman's beats 78 times. Finally, men's skin is thicker than women's by about 25%. This means they are less prone to wrinkles but more prone to acne. 3 animal facts you didn't know about. Ever wondered about the secret lives of animals? Let's dive in. Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts? Fascinating, isn't it? Moving on, a crocodile can't stick its tongue out. Surprised? We were too. Finally, the star-nosed mole can eat worms faster than the human eye can follow. Talk about speed. So, there you have it. 3 fun facts about the animal kingdom that might have just blown your mind. Remember, nature never ceases to amaze.
If you want more shorts, all you need to do is give an idea to Fly Guy, and it will generate more for you. See you in the next video.